This is a tomahawk steak.
I think it's time to make some dinner.
Oh, that is a good steak. Oh my goodness, this is so much food.
I'll just put that in the snow and it'll be good for tomorrow. A little salt and butter on a baked potato.
It's been one heck of a meal. All right, for dessert, I've got ling he mui flavored gummy snacks from Hawaii. Anything covered in ling he mui powder is amazing.